Hi guys, got a lovely arrangement for you on the way this week with some beautiful blooms that have been grown especially for us. We've got some very lovely vintage lacy-like greenbell, a crisp fresh white alstroemeria, the ever lovely lisianthus, some snappy snapdragons, and of course the aforementioned fabulous soft yellow blooms. Start by arranging your lisianthus in an even triangle around the edge of your vase. Do the same with your slightly shorter alstroemeria, filling the gaps. Next, place your two blooms on opposite sides of the vase. Then your snapdragons in an even triangle, filling up the centre. And finish with your lovely stem of greenbell, slap bang in the middle and pull its branches throughout the rest of the flowers.